Hello, welcome to QuickInfra. In this video, we will see how to create an infrastructure project from the various templates available. Select Templates, Infrastructure, search for the project, click on Copy, Copy Template. On clicking Copy, this project will be copied to your projects menu. We can now view the details of this project. If we want, we can create a copy of this. We can check the project's details. We can customize this. We can delete any service we don't want. We can add additional services. Let's say I want to add a load balancer, and once this is done, then we can select the target account, generate Terraform, and create the infrastructure. Thank you for watching.